Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming model and iOS version, because fixes differ by device and software. Once done, remove any case or screen protector and clean both your finger and the sensor with a lint-free cloth, dirt blocks sensors. Restart the iPhone to clear minor glitches, then immediately try Touch ID. If it still fails, proceed. You'll update software and re-enroll fingerprints. Keep attention on error messages. They tell you exactly what failed, so you know whether to recalibrate or reset. You must update iOS before deep troubleshooting, since many Touch ID bugs are fixed in updates. Install and reboot. Once updated, go to Touch ID and passcode, delete old fingerprints, and add new ones. During enrollment, lift and rest your finger at varied angles so the sensor maps edges. Press gently, not hard, to capture consistent data. If you see unable to complete or timeout errors, wait a minute and try again. Make sure your finger is dry, and avoid rapid, repeated attempts. If software steps fail, inspect the home button for cracks, debris, or corrosion. Hardware damage stops Touch ID. You can try reset all settings to rule out configuration issues. This keeps data but resets system defaults. Make sure to back up first. If Touch ID still does not work, do not attempt home button swap yourself. Touch ID hardware is paired to the secure enclave. Contact Apple or an authorized repair provider. They can repair or replace the module safely. Troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.